Hi, in the last lecture we go through the basic HTML development or how my bracket work and how it automatically show the live preview and what does preview in any change in the content or anything. Here I'm just writing the script tag of JavaScript where I want to write my code, and the first code is to display the output in JavaScript. The console.log function is used to display an output, and here I'm writing mm, this is my console output. Okay, and just going back to my browser and inspect, Control Shift I in Chrome and go to the console section. Where is my inspect? Yes, there is inspect and console. The output is here, my console output. Okay, or what I'm doing here, um, just writing one value, that means 5 plus 6, and these both are JavaScript assume both as a string. Okay, and the output is 11. Okay, where is my console? And just refresh it. Why it's not showing output? What's the problem? Hmm. Okay, I forget to save my web page. Going to back my web page, and yeah, so the output is 56, not 11, because JavaScript considered both as a string and plus work as a concatenation, and it will add both, concatenate both the string and give the output 56. If I'm using single quote, same here, 56. If I am writing separately without a string in a single quote or either in double quote, the output value will be this addition of the both. So the typecasting is automatically done by JavaScript. So I'm just writing another code of my script, that is if I'm writing the script in console.log, in which the output will be 11, and console.log is equal to some string. In this, the output will be the same as a string. So console.log actually working, it show you information about the currently loaded web page and also includes command line. So here I'm using the command line and showing the output. If you are on Windows, just write Control Shift I, or if you are on Linux, that command option and K for the you're starting the web console. You can just go right here. I'm doing some console input in console.log as writing string in console.log. What I'm doing here, just creating a variable ATR, or that value that had with some properties, and the property is first name, and the value is Kim, and mobile number is something value here, and last my mobile number is 900122830, whatever here. And yeah, the output is uncaught syntax error because of I have to write console.log, console dot console.log, and the function pass the value of variable, that is ATR. Again the output, there is error. What's the error? Yeah, I just write semicolon, but there is not semicolon, there is a comma. I'm just copying here all code, and yeah, function first name equal to Kim and mobile number equal to following thing. Yeah, the output is there. So my code working well, and console.log also. Console.log, using the console.log you can just rectify your code and debugging your code. I'm just going back to my code and writing the script tag here. Script, and copy the my all code, and just going to refresh. The output value will be first name Kim, and it's like this. So the console.web and console.log working same as value in code and in the console also. So it will print all or the thing, and it shows you information about the currently loaded version. Or you can say, if I'm writing anything, console works exact the same way as eval work and last expression entered in the return. Okay, so the completely display about the value or whatever your code. And if you are debugging, if you want to debug some code, so you need to console.log option here, and you can check. So my code giving the output, first name Kim and mobile numbers like this. If I'm going to just check the value of what is actually showing. So this is value, the console.log, and this is a variable. I'm creating a variable, and variable have some properties, first name, and that value will be I'm using here. But what I'm doing here, I'm just showing you output. So the output value work as attributes as a mobile number like this, and first name. So I'm just proto is object value is this object, and accessing this properties, some accessing this not accessing this property, but just declaring the property of the objects. Or we can in the script language, sorry, in the script tag. So this is completely about the console. And the last lecture, on the next lecture, we will go, oh no, one more thing here. I'm going to say the array output. This is the object console, and I'm going to the array console. For that I need to make an array, and array will be the first key index value is the name. Okay, that is equal to something value, or John, James, and following thing, or old pen. Okay, I just created. There is some problem. What is the problem here? Unexpected token comma. Unexpected token comma. Okay, console.log is array.console. Again, there's no problem. The problem is I'm just creating the curly braces, but for the array we need the bracket. So I'm just going to back my code and just writing this here. Okay, so my output is for the array of size equal to 3, and starting key index value is 0 equal to this all John. Just write clear here. So the output is 3 array size, and 0 index value equal to John, 1 value equal to James, and 2 value equal to the old pen. That length equal to 3, and proto equal to